Okay, let's talk about one of the most common yet critical skills in any lab, pipetting. You see this tool everywhere, but it's also a huge, often ignored source of scientific error.
And this study nails it. We all know variations happen, but we rarely dig into how bad it gets.
So, where do these errors actually come from? Let's break down the most common mistakes.
Things like temperature shifts or the wrong tips, these small slips can cause massive inaccuracies.
Get this, pipetting cold liquid can make you over-deliver by as much as 37%.
And you have to know your liquid. Viscous and volatile samples need completely different handling.
Now for the good part, how to fix it. Mastering your technique is absolutely key for good data.
First, you gotta know your tool. That plunger has 2 stops and, of course, the tip ejector.
When pulling liquid up, press to that first stop, dip the tip just right, and release slowly.
To dispense, touch the tip to the wall and press slowly past that first stop to the blowout.
And here's a pro tip. Always pre-wet your tip. This small step makes a huge difference in accuracy.
But you know, good technique is only half the battle. Maintenance and calibration are just as crucial.
Calibration is simple. It makes sure the number on the dial is what you're actually getting. It's a must-do.
And check this out, the standards are getting smarter. The new ISO rules treat the pipette and tip as one system.
It really all comes down to daily care. Store them upright and never let liquid get inside the body.
Okay, let's zoom out. Why does all this precision matter for science as a whole?
Because every single drop counts. Your precision is what makes your research valid and trustworthy.
We've all been there, right? Weird results? Bad pipetting is so often the hidden culprit.
Think about it. If science is a pyramid, aren't all the bricks laid with a pipette? How solid is your foundation?